Good evening, project team. We are here in around Marina area. So I just saw Cavalli Tower in construction. It's in full swing here. The developer here is the Mac. One of our actually subscriber requested this project to make a video about it. So this is the one first video I will share with you guys, and of course guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel project team. Enjoy this video, and at least there's some update on this. And I promise on the next update it will be a daytime video. Enjoy. This is the Mac Cavalli Couture. Cavalli. Ini kata. Tahu ya. Paano? Don't forget to like and subscribe, project team. So I have time here to have to video your project, the Mac Cavalli. So it's in progress. Construction is in full swing. It's Saturday. Today is Saturday and it's 9 o'clock in the evening, and it's in progress. Yan yung Cavalli. Ring construction, ring focus mo. Thanks project team for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.